Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
Possessive pronouns are words like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. We use them to show ownership. Now, let's practice using these words in questions and answers. Whose book is this? It's mine. Here you are. Mine shows the book belongs to me. Whose pen is that? It's yours. Yours shows the pen belongs to you. Whose bag is on the table? It's hers. Hers shows the bag belongs to her. Whose jacket is this? It's his. His shows the jacket belongs to him. Whose car is outside? It's ours. Ours shows the car belongs to us. Whose shoes are these? They're theirs. Theirs shows the shoes belong to them. Great job, everyone! You've learned how to ask and answer questions using possessive pronouns. Keep practicing, and it will become even easier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.